I'll just like to show what exactly is happening. You can see there is a movement expected. You can see Mumbai police personnel are here. Their heavy presence is there, and also you can see this is the car which has been placed just outside the NCB office, because this is the car which usually takes all the accused for the medical test, as well as to whenever they want to produce and in the court. This particular car we have always seen, including this car, because this was the car yesterday in which Shovik was brought in to the NCB office. So we are expecting within next 10 to 15 minutes some action is expected here, where we have been given to understand that there is a chance that Shovik and Samuel Miranda will be taken for the medical. So you can see that, I'll again ask my cameraman Sahil to show you the visuals, that the Mumbai police personnel are here. There is a heavy presence of Mumbai police personnel, including the women constable you can see in the frame. Now coming back to the question which you asked me, yes, Tanima, there is no official confirmation from NCB regarding sending any kind of summons to Riya Chakravarti. It would be interesting to see that what basically grounds they put for the remand of Shovik and Samuel Miranda, because because it depends a lot on their grounds, because yesterday almost for say 6 to 7 hours they were here, or more than that we can say that, because 12 noon they came here, and since 12 noon to 9 p.m. they were here, and after that they were shown arrest. So it would be interesting to see that what exactly they have mentioned in their statements, and what exactly NCB asked for, on what grounds NCB will be asking for their remand. So we have been given to understand they will produce in the court. Both of them will be produced in the court in the first half. But as I said, there is no confirmation coming from the NCB about issuing summons to Riya Chakravarti.
That's right. In fact, it will be important to see what the remand copy in court says, especially after they have interrogated both Samuel Miranda and Shovik for the better half of yesterday, for the whole of the day yesterday. In fact, Mayuresh, stay with us. I'm also joined by my colleague Disha Shah from outside the court in Mumbai, where Shovik and Samuel Miranda are likely to be taken today for production by the NCB. Disha, if you could just, as Mayuresh was also saying, that it will be interesting to see what they mention in the remand copy, but take us through the details that we know of the alleged link between the drug peddlers arrested by the NCB and Shovik Chakravarti, and Riya Chakravarti for that matter, which NCB sources have been telling us of late, that the reason why they have in fact been questioning or had in fact issued summons to Shovik also is because of the fact that there is, according to them, evidence to suggest that Shovik had in fact been interacting with these drug peddlers, following which now he's been arrested.
Well, certainly, as we all know, that the NCB has been questioning the people here in connection to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, and there were several evidences that have really come to light here. Firstly,
okay, we are cutting back to
you can see in the visuals that Shovik and Samuel Miranda has been taken, and we have been given to understand that Shovik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda has been taken for the medical. You can just see in the visuals also, there is their car which has gone, and right now also you can see there are two more. There are two more. That is, yeah, that is Zaid and Basit. You can see Zaid and Basit are also there in the car. You can see that there's a Zaid and Basit. They are in the car. That's what, because their faces were covered, but we have been given to understand it was Zaid and Basit who were taken for the medical. So NCB team along with the Mumbai police, you can see the Mumbai police cars, Mumbai police van, and heavy deployment of Mumbai police outside NCB office. Now they are escorting NCB officials and all these accused for the medical, and we have been given to understand they have gone to the nearby government medical college or government medical hospital, I beg your pardon, for the medical. Back to you.
Right, Mayuresh, important development, which means that they are likely to produce them shortly at the NCB court, outside which Disha was standing, in fact. So the medical test, the procedural medical test, which needs to be conducted for those who are arrested and will be produced in court shortly, is underway there. And both Shovik and Samuel Miranda have in fact been taken for the medical test at a nearby government hospital by the NCB officials there. This is a procedure which is done ahead of producing arrested accused in court. So Mayuresh there, of course, tracking all the developments outside the NCB office. Let me go back to my colleague Disha Shah, who was explaining the link which has emerged between drug peddlers and Souvik. We, of course, have to remember that these are details which have been given as per NCB sources, but we'll, of course, have to wait and see what they mention in the remand copy today in court, as Mayuresh was mentioning. But Disha, take us also through the details which have emerged, which show a link between the drug peddlers arrested by the NCB recently and Souvik and Ria.
Well, that's right. As we all know that the questioning by the NCB was underway in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, where Souvik Chakravarti, who's Ria's brother, and also the drug peddler. So as we all know that there were certain WhatsApp images and WhatsApp chats and conversations that NCB got hold of, where they saw that how Souvik, who is Ria's brother, asked for bud in that WhatsApp chat. This bud was asked, basically it's a sort of a drug substance. It was asked to Zaid, who is the alleged drug peddler. And Zaid, the alleged drug peddler, sent Basit to deliver this bud, which is the drug substance, to Samuel Miranda. So Samuel Miranda is the house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. So Basit, who is allegedly the drug peddler, gave this particular bud to Samuel. And Samuel Miranda, the house manager, allegedly received those buds from the drug peddlers in concern. So this is how the entire circle, of course, and the link is what the NCB officials got through. And that is why after questioning and grilling Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda for at least 10 to 12 hours yesterday, they were arrested last night. They were brought to the NCB office here. They were arrested because of, having and finding a link connection with these drug peddlers in concern related to Sushant Singh Rajput. And today, of course, as we speak, and like Mayuresh was pointing out, both Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda will be produced in the court today in the first half. As per the NCB officials, they will ask for more, custody for integration purposes, for further investigation as to what exactly, are the further details related to this case.